Hi, I'm Professor Múcio Porto from Brazil. I'm a plastic surgeon. Plastic surgeons, we do a lot of liposuctions. And this is what I'm doing here. I'm inviting you to share with me our experience and knowledge about liposuction, but using the basis, the world of liposuction, different techniques, different manners of doing the same procedure, but for fat transfer. Fat transfer is not brand new, but coming more and more, many specialties practice, because it helps you in many ways. For example, for reconstruction, for stem cells stimulation, and also for aesthetics, for genitalia, labia majora, facial rejuvenation, and hands and butts and breasts, and also brand new things about, for example, nano-fat technology that you put all together for rejuvenation in general. I'm waiting for you here in Dubai, UAE, for our next wonderful course about liposuction and fat transfer under local anesthesia for face and body. I promise I will give you all my thoughts and knowledge for you to improve your practice and clinic. Don't lose this opportunity. Fat transfer and liposuction here in Dubai, UAE. Waiting for you.